Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Stano Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
While analyzing Section 141 of the Act, it will be seen that it operates in cases where an offence under Section 138 is committed by a company. Stop. The key words which occur in the section are very person. Stop. These are general words and take every person connected with the a company within their sweep. Stop. Therefore, these words have been rightly qualified by use of the words who at the time the offence was committed was in charge of and was responsible to the company for the conduct of the business of the company, as well as the company shall be deemed to be guilty of the offence, etc. What is required is that the persons who are sought to be made criminally liable under Section 141 should be at the time the offence was committed in charge of and responsible to the company for the conduct of the business of the company. Stop. Every person connected with the company shall not fall within the ambit of the provision. Stop. It is only those persons who were in charge of and responsible for the conduct of business of the company at the time of commission of an offence who will be liable for criminal action. Stop. It follows from this that if a director of a company who was not in charge of and was not responsible for the conduct of the business of the company at the relevant time will not be liable under the provision. Stop. The liability arises from being in charge of and responsible for the conduct of business of the company at the relevant time when the offence was committed, and not on the basis of merely holding a designation or office in a company. Stop. Conversely, a person not holding any office or designation in a company may be liable if he satisfies the main requirement of being in charge of and responsible for the conduct of business of a company at the relevant time. Stop. Liability depends on the role one plays in the affairs of a company and not on designation or status. Stop. If being a director or manager or secretary was enough to cast criminal liability, the section would have said so. Stop. Instead of every person, the section would have said every director, manager, or secretary in a company is liable, etc. The legislature is aware that it is a person case of criminal liability, which means serious consequences so far as the person sought to be made liable is concerned. Stop. Therefore, only persons who can be said to be connected with the commission of a crime at the relevant time have been subjected to action. Stop. Mr. Luthra emphatically argued that the appellants are independent, non-executive directors of the accused company and in no way responsible for the day-to-day affairs of the accused company. Stop. Such directors are inducted in the company for their expertise or special knowledge in any particular discipline. Stop. They are not in charge of the management of the company. Stop. Mr. Luthra argued that the appellants had relied on unimpeachable documents, particularly form number DIR 12 of appellant number 1 and appellant number 3 and DRI from Form number 32 of the appellant number 2, which showed the status of the respective appellants as non-executive independent directors with effect from 1/4/2014. Stop. The appellants being non-executive independent directors are entitled to have the complaint case number AC/121/2017 quashed as against them. Stop.